Welcome to the first day of Tella's 12 Days of Tella. First feature off the sleigh is comments. Now, we've had comments in the app for a while, but this is a completely new comments. We have rebuilt this, redesigned this from the ground up. So let's get into it and I'll show you how it works. Comments lives here on the right-hand side of the view page tabs. You'll see it next to chapters or to transcript if you have that enabled. You get this nice big comment box to start commenting right away, and then you can see all of the comments left on your video in a nice column like this. We have obviously main comments, but then threaded replies, so you can see where the conversation's going under each of the comments. We've got reactions. You can leave multiple reactions. You can have stacked reactions, and you can leave timestamped comments. So for you or your viewer to leave a timestamped comment, you can just play back the video. And then when you go to leave a comment and have the timestamp feature enabled, you'll see the time at which you're about to comment tick over here in the little submit button. And then you can like pause, or you can comment while it's running. And then you can just say, I like this. And that will leave a comment with the timestamp that you had selected right there. So you and other viewers can navigate around the video using these timestamps to get extra context about what the person's talking about. So I can click here and see what exactly Grant Mate is on about with this crazy comment. Now, as the owner of a video, you have a few extra admin controls which regular viewers don't. So everybody can edit or delete their own comments, but as an owner of the video, you can delete everybody's comments. So you can basically moderate the comments that happen on your video. So this weird comment here from Grant, I could delete that, or Grant's kind of getting a little bit extra with these compliments, so I can just get rid of this one, and then that will clean that up. As the owner of the video, you can also choose if you want comments on your video altogether or not. So click on settings, and then you'll see you've got this option here to hide or show comments on this video. If you switch this off, there'll be no comments, there'll be no way for people to comment. And then you get this conditional option, which you can just disable comment notifications. So if you're getting a lot of comments on your video, or you often get a lot of comments on your video, you can switch this off, and then you won't get an email notification every time someone leaves a comment. Speaking of notifications, let me show you what the new notifications look like and you can do with them. This is what a typical notification about a comment or a reply looks like. You can see who left the comment, you can see which video it's on, what they said, you can access the specific video, and you can access the specific comment. You can also, if you're getting a bunch of these and you realize in the moment you're like, I'm sick of getting these notifications, you can switch the comments off, the comment notifications off for this video right here. Another neat improvement we've added is this new comment button below the video. So sometimes you can miss the comments tab up here, especially if there aren't already comments on it. You might not immediately notice that. And so if you want to leave a comment, or your viewers want to leave a comment, then you can click on this button here, which is much more visible, and that will pop open the comments tab, ready for you to leave a comment right wherever it is that you are watching. This also is extra handy when you or viewers are watching this video in theater mode. So if we switch to theater mode like this, it's a bit easier to see the comment call to action here than it is to see the small comment tab. So a nice little extra thing to make commenting easier. Wrapping things up in the account settings. So if you want to switch comments off for all future videos, head to your account preferences, and then under the show comments option, you can switch this off. This will switch off comments as the default for all new videos that you make. So it won't switch off comments for old videos that are already out, shared with other people. But this will disable it for any new video you make, and then you can choose to override that. Maybe occasionally you want to have comments enabled. You can override that on the individual video. We've also, as part of this change, pulled out notifications into its own section within settings, and here is where you can choose if you want comment notifications on or off as the default. Again, you can override this for specific videos, either which way, counter to whatever the default is here. So if I have comment notifications enabled, I can then override that with comment notifications being off for specific videos. You've also got your other notification settings that you can manage here too. That covers it for our first feature in the 12 Days of Tella Christmas Countdown. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you tomorrow for the second feature in 12 Days of Tella. Till then, have a good one.